I'm back to my meditation. I think that working out has helped significantly when those anxious thoughts come up, because it feels like I'm better equipped physically and mentally from going through the daily strain of working out. It feels like I prepared myself, and I feel like I deal with them in a stronger way. Hi, Nas. So this may come as a bit of a surprise to you, but of my marriage, I am the clean freak. I'm the one that's always irritated when things are like crazy messy or just all over the place. I just feel like I can't gather my thoughts when it's like that. Like, I wasn't always like this. I used to be super messy. I used to think cleaning was such a waste of time that could be spent otherwise working on music. When I noticed two things that happen when you do keep a clean lifestyle. One, it brings peace to the whole household, which is probably most important. But two, I love playing my beats too. So as I'm cleaning up and I'm playing my beats, there's so many things that I'm learning about my patterns that I'm like, all right, I need to switch that up or try something new. So many things that I'm looking at and I'm saying, damn, I like when I did that. So I'll stop mopping for a second or stop cleaning for a second. Sometimes I'll clean longer just to go through my playlists even longer. What's up, baby? Hey, clap it up. Today's gonna be a long day. The biggest thing today is this beat battle draft. I'm excited about listening to beat battle beats. I'm not excited about listening to 200 of them. So we had to close the public submission form. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, I feel a little better. Go home, shower, eat, get ready for this plug-in meeting, and hopefully go bowling before the Slapcation beat battle draft tonight.
Yeah.
Don't need to show that. You gotta show all that. Why you gotta show me?
Hey, and he prevailed.
Oh, you're not flexing. You're not flexing. I had a good time too. I can have a good time even though I got beat. So now we're getting ready to go back to the crib and listen to 4,000 beats. You see the draft, 100K on the wrist, Xbox on the hip, on the old gosh, on the dip. You can't even see it. All right.
Keep your 10 toes down without first. You ain't gonna see anything.
That nigga spitting. Music producers, are you ready? Is you ready?
It's about that time.
It's about that time. We've got a semi-packed house. We've got a lot of beats that got to get played tonight. But make your way in here. We're going to get things squared away.
Forget all this,
I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Which one, man?
The one that goes boo boo bop beep 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 boo boo bop boo boo bop boo boo beep 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 boo boo beep beep boo boo beep bop boo boo bop boo boo bop boo boo beep 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 boo boo.
I think we should put him in a 400 song. I'll run this one.
This is nasty. All right, so end of a very successful beat battle draft. We've never done it before. Yeah, it was just a draft today, but
on both sides, like I'm excited to see where this goes, man. Like today has been one hell of a competition starting from bowling.
Nowhere near as bad as what I thought. Because when I started this vlog off today, nothing in my face said I wanted the smoke with the day.
I anticipated us having headphones on in the mic listening to beats still right now.
I did. And we literally finished this whole stream. Talked, had pizza in less than 2 hours and 25 minutes.
And listened to 87 beats.
Skit for Thursday. Roscoe the Taco and Sus Bunny have a session. Sus Bunny is basically going to teach Roscoe how to be a quote-unquote real producer since he's only merely a beat maker. He's going to use every industry cliche, every industry power play to convince him that he's not worthy of an equal percentage even though he does 100% of the work. If there was a way to get canceled as a producer, I'm working on it. What's going on with you? So, okay. What's good with you music producers? So you're, okay. What's good, music producers? So you're obviously here because you're here to take advantage of something free. That's nice. That's you just come to people's houses and just leave? Is that what you do? Okay. You know, just when I'm thinking, okay, I'm finally going to make less video content. Music producer. Yeah, I'm talking to you. And I can focus all in on making music and other aspects of the business. There's always, literally always, another reason to be recording some new video. As you're seeing right here, yeah, I'm a music producer. I'm talking to you. Stop looking behind you. I'm talking to you. I'm actually knocking out some videos that are supposed to live on the landing pages of Slap Experts. So these are either encouraging the folks there that are getting something for free to check out some other things that we have for sale, or just kind of inviting them here to the page. But nonetheless, it's absolutely necessary that I record these. What's going on with you, friend? I can't even call you music producer. Can't call you content creator. Can't even call you anything else except for friend, because you and I are getting ready to make some money together.
My guy. Yeah, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba. Focus on your Bubba. Wait. Focus on the Papa. We're focused on the...
What we doing, man? Focus on the Papa. There you go. These are days that I kind of, honestly, I don't look forward to as much as I probably should, because I'm having the most fun on these days. But because this whole, like, skit thing is so new to me still, I think I still add a little bit of unnecessary pressure to myself to, you know, to make them right. Hey, that's right. More. You show me more? Yeah, handsome woman. Yeah. You gotta get rid of that because they're gonna send you back home. Yeah. You see the drip. You see the drip. You see it. Sweat on the wrist. It's a skit day. It's a skit day. It's a skit day. You hear me? Skit day. What you say now? Pleasure is all yours, my guy. My man got the bag. My man got money. Nah. You say just cook up? So you just want me to just do something by myself? Wait, you say just cook up? Could you change that trash can over there because we had lobster this morning for shrimp? Okay. B-roll. Taking the trash out. I guess he needs shoes on, don't he? Your life can change just like that. Out of nowhere, like one day you like this, then you like that. Your life can change just like that. My boy, just keep 10 toes down. You want me to just do something by myself? No help. Just go ahead and get to cooking, huh? Do one more time. It's downstairs next to, okay. It's downstairs next to the saint. It's downstairs past the chandelier. I don't know, my boy. But that's because, all right, so I gotta admit it. I don't know if that was a hit, right? Not to say that all of these skits I've been doing was a hit. I know. You know, I say I never really know. This one I really don't know. I don't know. I think what's more important is that I got the truth out. This weird relationship or this weird hierarchy of music producers versus beat makers and the way these sessions go. I think that if it at least pisses off the right people, I've done my job. Even if they say it's not funny. This is something that's so unique to the space right now because there's nobody supplying on a weekly basis this kind of comedy, at least I feel like. No. Did you just say a new word? Hey. Hi. Yeah. That's funny, Bob.
You're so funny.
Nazi, did you just say a new word? Hey. Yeah. Why is it funny seeing you say something? Nazi, did you like that's not you. Yeah. That's funny, Bubba.
He's like, show me.
he grabbing my hand. He may not know the words, but he knows the actions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby. See? Why are you laughing like this is fiction? Like you didn't just do this. There are products that need to get put out. I got a little bit of ground I need to make up financially, and I will, but I need to make that happen. That's not the motivation for creating a new product, but that's always a good reminder that it's time to lock in on something. I'm planning out a course that's for producers who want to learn about sampling, kind of like an intermediate to advanced sampling. And I'm also debating on doing a sound pack. This has been a second since I've done that. It's just, there's many options to go with, is my point. I've been dragging my feet to the podcast over the last 3 days. And I think when I get in that headspace where I'm forcing content to be made, a few things might be going on. One, I might be losing touch with who actually needs the podcast and what I'm providing to them. Or, and this is what I really think it is, I'm just getting burnt out. You have been watching this vlog now for weeks, and I'm assuming most of you have. You see that I do a lot, and I still try to balance having a life in harmony with what I do. You have to stay ready to move at any given point in time, because something could really start to gain momentum that exists within your ecosystem, that if you do not take advantage of it and strike while the iron's hot, it could be a missed opportunity. Yo, you see my new whiteboard though? I had to show you my new whiteboard. This is probably the one old school thing about my approach to working, my approach to making music, my approach to planning out ideas. Ever since I started, I always needed something physical to dump I've always had a place to dump my thoughts out on. All right, let's gotta get dressed now. Oh, look at me. I went from dad fit to super dad fit. What's the difference? I just threw a different shirt on and I put a hat on because I did not feel like combing my hair. And I feel that I have readjusted so many times personally to other personalities, to other situations, that it actually made me easy to work with, but it also changed the opinions that these other entities had of me. It molded within them that I am someone that is easy to mold. I did nothing today. I took Nas out today and let him get in a little pool, but I really did nothing today. I let my feet get into the dirt, and I just let it just absorb the earth. I got real hippie today. And then I went back in the house and I just ate terrible. I didn't even want to document it because I didn't want to look back on that. I ate terrible today, but I rested. And I'm sure for those of you out there that truly care about my well-being, you know how important that is, especially for the nature of the work that you and I both do. But before I end this vlog out and start next week's vlog, I want to shout out some very special people that showed up and are showing a lot of love on the last vlog within the first 24 hours. And I think I'm going to keep this as a tradition to go. First and foremost, Sarah Too Ill. Sis, appreciate you. Sarah the Instrumentalist. Pearl Manhattan. Courtney. Avadon Smith. T-Sketch, Cutter Morris, Loner Boy Beats, Voltsville, JB, No End. You gave me some great advice about B-Complex. Pick some up today. Not Enough Vibes United. What's the deal? Luis Guzman, HGC, Yega, Moshe, Jet Wan, G-Life Music Records said he's already been indoor skydiving fire. Ty, what's the deal? Afiz, Peso, and it's to some. I appreciate every single one of you leaving comments, sharing the videos, or even just taking the time to watch and comment on them. I love reading the comments for it, but that's it. Vlog 9 is in the books. Greatly appreciate y'all. I think tomorrow I'm just going to rest some more and see how my body feels, and probably just do some planning for the week. I think that will go really well. So I only came in the studio to talk to y'all today. Tonight. Whatever. See you soon. Peace. Is that food? It's not sexy. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.